Hello everyone. Now let us go for the module 2 session 3 stack applications evaluation of postfix expression. I am Shilpa B, Assistant Professor, Department of ISC, Canara Engineering College. So how we can calculate or evaluate the postfix expression? Now in the previous session we have already seen how can we convert infix expression to postfix expression. Now let us see how we can evaluate the postfix expression. So this is the algorithm for evaluation of postfix expression. What you need to do is you just start with the scanning the symbol from left to right. So as we have done in the conversion, the same thing, you need to scan each and every symbol from left to right. If the symbol scanned is an operand, then push it onto the stack. If the scanned symbol is an operator, then pop two elements from the top of the stack. And the first popped element is OP2 and the second popped element is OP1. Then perform the indicated operation, that is result is equal to OP1, OP, OP2, that is operand 1, operator, operand 2. Then push the result onto the stack. Repeat the procedure until the end of the input. So let us go for an example that will make everything clear. So evaluate the following postfix expression for A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. Now what you need to do is, this is the expression given, ABC plus star CBA minus plus star. This is a postfix expression which is given. Now instead of ABC, you need to write 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 plus star, 3, 2, 1 minus plus star. That will be your postfix expression. Now let us solve it. So what I need to do is, I will take this particular input ABC. Since I want to evaluate the expression, I cannot go for the characters, right? I need a value for this. So for that they had given the value as A is equal to 1, B 2, C 3. So instead of A I will write 1, instead of B I will write 2, instead of C I will write 3. So instead of C 3, instead of B 2, instead of A 1. So this will be your postfix expression now, right? So how can we do the evaluation of this particular expression without converting it into infix expression? Okay, so initially what I need to do is, I will start from 1. When the symbol scanned is 1, what I am going to do is, I will directly put it onto the stack. Okay, next here from the postfix expression I will get only 1. 1 is not there now. I will start from 2 now. So symbol scanned will be 2, right? When you are scanning 2, then what will happen? You are going to put it onto the stack, 1 and 2. Now once again let me go for this. Symbol scanned is now 1, 2 is gone. So symbol scanned will be 3. So here you will get 1, 2 and 3. Now 3 is gone from this. We will be having from plus, right? So symbol scanned will be plus. when you get an operator, what you need to do is you just need to pop the stack elements. So result stack topmost element of this stack is 3, that will be popped over to OP2, and OP1 will be the next element, that is 2. Now in this stack you will have only one element, that is 1, right? Now I need to find the resultant. How can I get the resultant? OP1, OP, OP2. That means OP1 is 2. So here I need to take 2 as OP1. Then OP is nothing but the symbol scan. Here operator is nothing but plus, and your OP2. OP2 is 3. So you will get the answer as 5, right? So this answer I want to copy it over to stack. Push it onto the stack. Now you get in the stack you will get 1 and 5. Again, now plus is done. Now we will start from the next symbol, that is star. So you are going to read a star now. When you read a star, it is an operator. So what you need to do? 5 will be OP2 and 1 will be OP1, and you are going to do 1 star 5, that is nothing but 5. That will be copied over to stack. There was nothing in stack because both the elements we have popped it out to OP2 and OP1 position. So only the resultant I am going to copy it onto the stack. So the next elements we are going to scan is this, right? So 3, 2, 1, that is pending. Now I am going to read the symbol as 3. So directly push it onto the stack. Okay. Next you are going to read the symbol as 2. This will be, here you will get it as 2, 1, 3 is gone now. So 2, 1. So you are going to read the symbol as 2. So you are going to push it directly to the stack. Then after this you are going to read the symbol as 1. You are going to read the symbol as 1. So you are going to push it directly to the stack. So you will get here 1, right? Next, here only minus, plus and star is pending. So you are going to read a minus now. When you read a operator, what you need to do? You just pop the topmost 2 elements, 1 and 2. So 1 will be popped over to OP2 and 2 will be popped over to OP1. Now find out OP1. 2 minus 1, you are going to get it as 1. That you need to copy over to the stack, right? Next, remaining is plus and star, right? So I am going to read plus now. So I will pop 1 and 3 now. So what is the answer? 3 plus 1, you are going to get it as 4. So 5 and 4, you are going to put it in the stack. Once again only star is remaining. I am going to read that star. Then what I am going to do? Pop 4 and 5 now. Then 5 into 4, you are going to get it as 20. So in the resultant you will get 20 as the answer. So 20 will be your answer. This is how you are going to find out the or evaluate the postfix expression. I hope this session is clear for you. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you guys.